Welcome back to our WooCommerce 101 series. Setting up taxes is one of the first tasks to do as you are setting up your store. Most likely, your business has legal obligations to pay taxes, and WooCommerce has many options to help you set those up and collect those as you'd like for your store. Be sure to research what is required in your country, state, or jurisdiction. Let's get started. Head to WooCommerce, Settings, Tax, then Tax Options. The first option here is to enable taxes and tax calculations, which we hope is fairly self-explanatory. Leave this unchecked to disable any taxes and tax calculations. Next, the prices entered with tax option is a very important option when setting up how you manage taxes in your store. It determines how you will input product prices later when creating products. First, you can choose, yes, I will enter prices inclusive of tax, meaning all catalog prices are set using your store's-based tax rate. The other option, no, I will enter prices exclusive of tax, would mean that your catalog prices need to be set excluding taxes. The next setting is calculate tax based on. Here you can choose between customer shipping address, which is the default, customer billing address, and shop base address. Just note that the address field needs to be filled in to get the tax to calculate if you have taxes that have different rates between different locations. For most stores, shipping tax class based on cart items can be left as is. This means tax classes and their costs are based on the item or items in the cart. For example, if the cart item was set as a reduced rate product, your reduced rates would apply. If this is not the case in your tax jurisdiction, please choose a different tax class here. If according to your tax laws, rounding is done last, when the subtotal is calculated, enable the rounding option here. Otherwise, they will round per line. Next up is additional tax classes. They are, as the name says, additional classes you can use outside of the default standard rates. In most cases, you will want to use the standard rates class. If, however, you sell goods which require a different tax class, you can add those classes here. To get you started, we add reduced rate and zero rate tax classes. You'll notice that at the top, under the tax tab, each class you have added is listed. Clicking on a class will take you into its tax rates and show you the current assigned rates and let you set up new ones for that class. The next setting, display prices in the shop, determines how prices are displayed in your store, excluding the cart and checkout pages. Choose from including tax or excluding tax. The next setting is for the cart and checkout pages. The display prices during cart and checkout give you a separate control to show or hide tax prices on the cart and checkout pages. Next, you can add a price display suffix that shows after your product prices. This could be, for example, including sales tax to help explain your pricing. Finally, you can choose to display the tax totals as a single total or as itemized. A single total will show one tax charge, where itemized will show the tax cost per item. With that, we've covered the basics of the tax settings. We have some more examples and tips in our documentation. Be sure to read those and follow along with the next video that covers setting up an example tax rate. Thanks for watching.